Assalamualaikum and good morning. So for today, chapter 11, we study chapter 11, introduction of set. Okay, so for today's lesson, determine the number of elements of a set. Represent the number of elements using symbol. Okay, how do you determine the number of elements of a set? So number of elements in set P can be represented by notation NP. Okay, so this is how you write number of element. Okay, so for this example, this one is for set P. So we write the notation N. Okay, and then bracket P. So example, determine the number of elements in each of the following set. Okay, so for question A, so this one is set A. Okay, so set A is equals to cone, cylinder, sphere, pyramid, and cube. So how many elements in here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is 5 elements for set A. So A, for A here, so NA, number of element in set A is equals to 5. Okay, next one, the B. Okay, B here, consonant in the word kemahiran. Okay, so consonant. So you need to know what is the consonant here. So consonant here is K, okay, M, H, okay, R, N. Okay, so these words are the consonants. Okay, so K, M, H, R, and N. So this letter is the consonant. Okay, so B here. So we write number of element in set B and bracket B. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so same for this one. Also 5. Okay. So how do you determine the number of elements of a set? So next example here is P. Okay, set P here is integers between -5 and 2. Another one here is set Q. Okay, x to x, 15, and x is an even number. Okay, so x is an even number. So for this one, first we need to listing. Okay, you need to do the listing for the set P. So P is equals to okay, so integers between -5, so we start from -4, -3, -2, -1, okay, 0, and that's what is 1. So we need to do the listing first. Okay, so this one is for set P. Okay, so now we want to calculate. So how many elements in set P here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6. Okay, so N bracket P is equals to 6. Okay, so this is for set P. Now is for set Q. So Q here. Okay, so this one x to x and then 15 and x is an even number. So this one is actually inside your textbook. So I think this one is x is less than, okay, less than 15. Okay, maybe there is wrong somewhere here. So x is less than 15. So we need to do listing. So we list out first. So x is an even number. So we start from 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then 12, and last one is 14. Okay, so now we calculate how many elements in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is 7 here. So NQ is equals to 7. Okay, so next one here. what is the equality of sets. Okay, so if every element in two or more sets are the same, okay, all the sets are equal. Okay, so if we have, let's say we have two sets here and the element in the set are same, so the sets are equal. Okay, so now we see the example here. Determine whether each of the following pairs of sets are equal sets. Okay, so here G, the first one here, A, G, set G is equals to letters in the word Rajin. Okay, and H is equals to letters in the word G, right? Okay, so now first we must do the listing first. So G is equals to Rajin, so Rajin. Okay, and then set H here is equals to G, right? So J I R E N. Okay. Okay, so now we see the elements. So for G we have R, H also we have R, and then we have E here, also E here, J, and then we have also J, we have also I, and last one is N. So you can see that the elements inside these two sets here are same. So it means that the set is equal. So we write G, set G is equals to set H. Okay, this is how you write it. Okay, so now B. Okay, so set M here. So we write again the M here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is for set M. And then set N here is equals to whole number which are less than 6. Okay, so we need to do listing. Okay, which. Okay, so less than 6. Okay, whole number which are less than 6. So start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so can include 6 here. Okay, okay, so now we want to see the element in these two sets. So 1 we have 1 also, 2 we have 2, 3 we have 3, 4 we have 4 here, and last one is 5. So this means that set M and N are equal. So M is equals to N. Okay, so now we are going for solving problems. Okay, so set A, B, and C are defined as follows. Okay, A is the month that begins with the letter J. Okay, so we do the listing first. So A is equals to, okay, so start from J, which is January. Okay, and then we have June, July. Okay, so we only have these three. Okay, and then set B is the states in Malaysia. Okay, okay, state in Malaysia. So how many states in the Malaysia? Okay, so you need to do the list first. So we have Johor. Okay, we have Kedah, Kelantan, Melaka. Okay, Melaka. Okay, and then we have Negeri Sembilan. Okay, we have Pahang. Okay, and then we have Penang. Okay, and then we have Perak, and then we have Perlis, and then we have Sabah, Sarawak, Selangor, and last one here is Terengganu. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So altogether is 13 states. Okay, so for set C here, okay, x to x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of its digits is 50. Okay, so is 5, sorry, is 5. So two numbers, okay, so we have two numbers here. So it will become 14. So 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. Okay, and then we have 23. So should be 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. And then we have 32. So 3 plus 2 also 5. And then we have 4 and 41. So 4 plus 1 here is equals to 5. So these are the numbers, okay, which is the 2-digit numbers, and the sum of the digit number is equals to 5. Okay, is there anything? Oh, there is a 50. Okay, 50 also can. 50 is equals to 5 plus 0. So it's equals to 5. So also included 50 here. Okay. So we do the listing here. So we have 14, 23, 32, 41, and last one is 50. So these are the numbers. Okay. Okay. So now we need to find what is number of elements for A here. So January, June, and July. So 1, 2, 3. So this number of elements for set A here is 3. Okay, so number of elements for set B here. Okay, we already know state in Malaysia we have 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 here. And last one is number of element in set C is equals to, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 here. Okay, so this is how you solve your problem for set, which is elements of set, and another one that we learned before is equality of set. So that's all for today. So thank you, class.